A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Come and sing along with me. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Learning letters is so easy. Q, R, S, N, T, U, V. Fun with letters, can't you see? W, X, and Y, and Z. Great, let's do it once again.